Cadillac Eldorado, 1959. As the 1950s drew to a close, America was brimming with unparalleled confidence and a booming economy. It was an era of bigger dreams, bolder fashion, and an unshakable belief in progress and prosperity. And nowhere was this audacious spirit more vividly captured than in the automobile that became its rolling emblem, the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. This wasn't merely a car. It was a magnificent, glittering declaration, a monumental statement of American ambition, excess, and undeniable flair. The '59 Eldorado's design wasn't just striking. It was revolutionary and unapologetic. It pushed the boundaries of automotive aesthetics to their absolute limit. Its most iconic feature, of course, was those massive tailfins, towering rocket-inspired structures that soared upwards, tipped with twin bullet taillights. This was pure jet-age styling, reflecting America's fascination with space exploration and supersonic flight. Every curve, every line exuded forward momentum and aerodynamic grace, even if the car itself was anything but small. And then there was the chrome. Oh, the chrome. From the dazzling Dagmar bumper guards to the intricate grilles and the gleaming side trim, the Eldorado was literally dripping in polished metal. It was a symphony of bold lines and brilliant reflections, ensuring that this car commanded attention wherever it went, a true work of art on wheels. Beneath all that stunning chrome and extravagant styling lay a powerhouse of American engineering. The 1959 Eldorado wasn't just about looks, it was about opulent performance. Under its long sculpted hood purred a formidable 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing a robust 345 horsepower. This immense power was necessary to effortlessly propel nearly 5,000 pounds of rolling luxury. This wasn't a sports car designed for nimble corners. It was a grand touring machine, built for smooth, majestic cruising. The ride was cloud-like, the interior sumptuously appointed with rich fabrics and power accessories, embodying an unprecedented level of comfort and convenience. Driving the Eldorado wasn't just travel, it was an experience, a journey encased in pure, unadulterated extravagance. The '59 Eldorado was more than just metal and mechanics. It was the embodiment of post-war American confidence. It represented a nation at the peak of its powers, unafraid to express its prosperity and optimism through audacious design and engineering. It was the ultimate status symbol, a car that screamed success and style. If British elegance was personified by the refined sophistication of James Bond's Aston Martin, then the Cadillac Eldorado was pure Elvis Presley flair. Loud, proud, charismatic, and undeniably American. It captured the rock and roll spirit, the Hollywood glamour, and the audacious confidence that defined a generation. It wasn't subtle, it was spectacular. Today, the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado remains one of the most iconic and recognizable automobiles ever produced. Its distinct silhouette, those sky-high fins, and its sheer presence make it an instant classic and a highly coveted collector's item. It's a testament to a bygone era where design knew no bounds and confidence was king. Owning a '59 Eldorado isn't just owning a car, it's owning a piece of American history, a rolling monument to a moment when the country dared to dream big. Build bigger and look absolutely sensational doing it. Few cars encapsulate an entire decade quite so perfectly.